Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're talking about Zilswap 2.0, Zillow, and the price action of Zilliqa for this week.
Today, we're talking about Zilliqa.
We're talking big money.
Big money. We're talking crypto.
And if you haven't already, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that more people just like you can find our content. Zilswap recently announced their 2.0 update, and I have to say it looks gorgeous. As a software engineer and in my experience, Zilswap 1.0 was disappointing. However, this new update, which Zilswap 2.0 came out with, is clean looking, and it has a validation approval from me, in my opinion. Just my opinion. And
Nice.
on a separate note, Zilswap is building a launch offering, an initial launch offering platform called ZILO on top of Zilswap. It is similar to Binance Launchpad or DAO Launchpad, where new projects will be able to raise new funds, not new funds, raise funds. Damn it.
That's fine. That's fine. So, on top of that, the other thing is Zilliqa's polynetwork bridge is expected to come in 2 weeks. That's exciting, and we've been waiting for that for a long time.
Precisely. With Zilswap's new clean looking UI, UX, with the ongoing build of Zillow, and with the anticipation of Zilliqa Ethereum Polynetwork Bridge, it's safe to say something is cooking up on Zilliqa.
Big
And
time.
yeah, in terms of fundamentals, Zilliqa is looking like a golden nugget on both short and long term pricing. With that being said, I'll pass it over to Ash.
All right, so let's look at the ZIL price analysis, and I have marked out my levels. So the monthly ones are white, weekly is pink, red is daily. So looking at a very, very long-term perspective, the downtrend that was established back in June 2018, 0.137. So that has been broken and retested, and we have failed that. And if we go to a weekly, we are holding trend. We are holding a larger trend, which was due to this crash, but we actually broke one of the medium uptrends in the recent crash back in mid-May. So I will show it more clearly on the ZIL BTC chart. But for now, it seems like there will be a long road back to its all-time highs. There'll be a small accumulation phase here. So ideally ZIL has to move across all these accumulation phases and end the little distribution phase it's in and make its way back to its all-time highs. But the real bullishness of ZIL lies in the ZIL BTC chart. So when you check the ZIL BTC chart on a monthly, we are nowhere near the highs. It is still under very heavy accumulation here. So the monthly level is all the way at 179 sats, and there's still even back to its all-time highs from current place. There is almost a 800% upside. And this is the monthly chart. If we break it down further, you can see the weekly trend. So we actually tried to do a cup and handle here, which is this cup handle, and we broke out, but we failed due to all the FUD and all the panic that was created in the whole crypto space. But overall, the ZIL BTC chart looks really healthy. And if you go on a bit closer, you can see the uptrends are holding up nicely. And ideally, I would say a short-term target would be, this is the break level. So ideally, the short-term target, if you go back to the daily, would be around, if it holds its uptrend, would be around 0.13 in the ZIL USD. So ideal target would be somewhere around here if it holds its uptrend and makes its way back here, and then test this uptrend over here and hopefully reclaim that and go back to its all-time highs. And coming back to the ZIL BTC chart, if you go to the daily, so this is where the 21st May is when it actually broke its uh, down uptrend, and this all happened in 2-3 days, and it's very hard to make a informed decision. The best part is if you break it down to a 4 hour, you will see the pattern clear as day. So it broke its long medium term uptrend, went to retest it, and then got rejected with a bearish engulfing pattern just here. This would have been a very clear sell signal in hindsight, but anyways, hindsight 2020. We have to forget about that and focus on what's happening now. So it's holding this trend and just needs to give more time, and hopefully the horizontal axis, which is time, ZIL will surpass that and will be back on its way to its all-time highs. So in short term, I think right now we're at 27 sats. This is a really good medium term target, 4100 sats. And this is if you're a scalp trader, this is a pretty good target as well, 30,500 sats. And that's all we have for the ZIL technical analysis for this week.
I think I shook my hand too much. All right, let's do one more.
That's fine. Let's go. Round 3. Action.
So that's our analysis for Zilliqa's news and price action for this week.
And we will cover Cardano, ADA for next week. So stay tuned. Peace.